All right, welcome to the Bookkeeping Dad QuickBooks tutorial. Today I am going to show you how to receive payments on your invoices, how to properly deposit them to your bank account. Now, when I say that, I just mean in QuickBooks, so that it makes reconciling your bank accounts super easy, super fast. It's not going to take a lot of work, and really anybody can do it, even if they would know nothing about your books. Now, I have already done a tutorial on this. You can check my other videos of how to reconcile a bank account. If you don't know, that'll explain how to do that. So first thing you're going to do, say you receive a payment, check, wire, cash. A couple ways to do this. You can go to sales. If you only have a couple invoices, if you know the customer. So we'll just go to invoices. We'll go to the most recent ones here. You can obviously filter by date. And we'll receive this payment. And again, you'll be able to select the payment date. You can change the customer up here. We'll do the method. We'll just say cash. Now, the deposit to is very important. So if you receive a bunch of checks at once or cash, they get mailed to you, say you only go to the bank on Fridays, you will not want to deposit each individual check into your bank account if it's going to be on a bank deposit. And I'll tell you why here in a minute. So for now, we are going to put this into undeposited funds because this amount, let's say, is sitting on my desk. It's not in the bank account yet. I'm going to take it with 7, 8, 20 other payments and deposit it all at once. So here's another check I received. Check. I prefer to put the check number up here and the reference number. This is the correct invoice they gave me. It's going to undeposited funds because, again, it's sitting on my desk. It's not in my bank account yet. We'll save and close. And we'll do one more here. I also got this one. That was cash. And let's just confirm which invoice they paid. It was this one. And again, undeposited funds. We're going to save and close that. Now, why do we do this? So if you would have just selected all of those and put them right into your bank account in QuickBooks, whenever it was just sitting on your desk, whenever you go to reconcile, your bank statement is going to show, it will probably just say deposit, and it's going to say an amount. And then when you go to reconcile, you're going to see a bunch of checks and have to match up one by one which checks go to what deposit. If you don't remember, it gets complicated the more you have. So the right way to do this is we're going to literally make a bank deposit in QuickBooks. We'll go to New, Bank Deposit. Now you're going to duly confirm which checks are going to be on this deposit, and they'll all be sitting right here. So I'm going to take these checks to the bank and deposit them. I won't deposit it until Monday. You're going to select your bank account if you have more than one. And now this amount right here is going to show up on your bank statement. You won't have to guess which checks go to what bank deposit. Whenever you go to reconcile, when you're comparing your statement to your bank balance, it's just going to be right there. Let me show you what that looks like here. We'll go to our bank register and I will show you. So right here, there it is. There is our bank deposit. That is going to match exactly what comes up on your statement. It's going to match what shows up on your online banking. And if you ever have to go back and wonder, oh my gosh, what was in that deposit? Did I miss depositing a check? Who paid me then? You'll be able to see it right here. There's the check amounts. You'll be able to click on the payment in blue here to see what customer it was, and you never have to guess. That is the right way to do it. I just cleaned up somebody's books who did not do it this way. They would have 15, 20 checks to a deposit, and it was a nightmare to match up. They don't remember what checks went to what deposit. Stuff didn't clear in time. Maybe he wouldn't take a check to the bank for weeks at a time. It was a disaster. So this is the right way to do it. Make sure you do it this way. It doesn't take that much work. Stay tuned for more.